guys, Trudy here with Banjo Power Wash Supply, and I am doing a product spotlight. So we all love, you get our sludge sucker, just a little hose. You love our sludge sucker, right? It comes with a 20-foot hose. But sometimes you just need a little longer hose. So what we have done on our rig is we have taken these two Banjo fittings. So that goes in one side here. And this will go in the other side of another hose. So you can connect the two hoses and extend your sludge sucker hose. That'll go in there, I just gotta heat it up a little bit. But if you need a longer sludge sucker hose, but you don't want a long one at all times, just get another one. Get these two little Banjo pieces right here. Whoops. These are 1.5 inch hose barbs. Cam lock and cam lock adapter, and that'll extend your hose. Also, what comes with our sludge sucker kits now is the weight, the hose weight. So when you're working by yourself and you've got a 20-foot hose, you're just sucking that water out with the Venturi effect, which is causing the end of your hose to just sway and go all over the place. So this hose, this weight right here will hold the hose in place. Just like that, won't go anywhere. It's 7.5 pounds, but this weight now comes with all our sludge sucker kits. So everybody will get one when they order a new sludge sucker. If you already have a sludge sucker, you can order this weight by itself. So a couple great things to addition to your sludge sucker, one being the Banjo fittings to extend your hose, and it is a 1.5 inch hose for your sludge sucker. And the other one would be the weight. If you have a sludge sucker and don't already have the weight, then there you go. So these are two little add-ons that you can use for your sludge sucker. Once again, this is to put on two 1.5 inch hoses so you can extend your hose on your sludge sucker, and the weight to keep your hose in place at the end of your sludge sucker so it's not whipping and going right back into the asphalt or the road or the driveway and looping right back into the puddle you're trying to remove. So a couple great little pieces here, little gadgets that we have come put together for you. So you guys stay humble and hustle hard.